All right, let's dive into this tutorial on setting up PureMO on a 4-minute chart. If you're tired of guessing your entry and exit points, this setup is going to save you some serious frustration. So buckle up. First things first, when you're working with a 4-minute chart, you want to establish zones. You need these zones to identify where momentum is building or where there's no momentum at all. So what I've got here is a middle zone set at plus 0.40 and minus 0.40. You can set this up by right-clicking anywhere on the chart, hitting Drawing Tools, then Region Highlight, and there you go. Highlight that zone. Now, I've also set an upper threshold at 0.90 and a lower threshold at negative 0.90. These thresholds are like your signposts. If you don't set them, you're basically driving blind. Here's where I do things a little differently with PureMO. I'm not using it straight out of the box. No, I like to customize my tools. I've set the waveline at its slowest setting, right here at 30. Now, there are two ways to run this, standard or fast, and I've got it cranked to fast. Why? Because I'm trading on a fast-moving chart and I want that speed. But I didn't stop there. I overlaid another line, the purple leading line, which is set to 8 and fast. Why? Because I want that line to be responsive. Here's the kicker. I've made some of the lines transparent. Yeah, invisible. I've taken the wave line, made it invisible, and dragged the purple leading line onto it. Bam! You've got two PureMO indicators working together. One set at 30 and the other at 8. Why'd I do this? Simple. I need the wave line at 30 to be smoother, and the leading line at 8 to be more responsive. So when you're setting this up, remember, you've got a smoother wave line giving you an overall trend and a more responsive leading line for those quick moves. Now, let's talk about entries and exits. This is where you make your money. When the momentum line is close to the zero line, and that leading line crosses above the center threshold, that's your signal to get ready. If it crosses above the upper threshold and the wave line follows, boom, that's your exit point. Don't overthink it. Just get out. Now, if you're feeling a bit more aggressive, a cowboy if you will, you might want to take a trade when the leading line hits the top threshold and rolls down. It's not always the safest, but sometimes that's where you make the big bucks. One more thing. If you're trading when the market's flat, PureMO isn't going to do you any favors. You need movement. PureMO thrives in fast markets, so make sure you're playing in the right conditions. In a moving market, you'll catch those swings. In a sideways market, you'll be waiting all day for signals that might never come. And that's it, PureMO on a 4-minute chart. Entry, exit, and everything in between. Get this set up right, and you'll be way ahead of the game. Catch you in the next one.